Set a magical scene this Christmas with table-setting must-haves from Hobby Lobby. Whether your theme is classic red and green, playful colors, or elegant neutrals, you'll find all the pieces you need to create your ideal dining experience this holiday season. Traditional evergreen elements will always have a seat at the Christmas table. You can round out the look by coordinating your centerpiece to your tableware essentials. It's an easy yet noticeable way to ensure cohesiveness. A timeless Christmas style cultivates a welcoming ambiance around the table. Toned-down pops of red and an abundance of lush greenery work together to elevate the overall atmosphere. With a stunning variety of seasonal tabletop essentials, you can keep the Christmas cheer coming all winter long. Looking for a less traditional approach to your Christmas color scheme? It all starts at Hobby Lobby. A fun and colorful palette sets the tone for an entertaining style that's merry and bright, offering a fresh approach to enjoying the season's get-togethers. While a neutral, refined aesthetic provides all the makings for an elegant gathering that's sure to be remembered for years to come. There's no place like home for the holidays, and Hobby Lobby is here to help you design beautiful tablescapes for every memory-making occasion the season brings. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.